Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our third section, organs. Organs and human organ system. Topic 8, Chapter 1, cells, tissues and organs. So let's get started. First we will discuss the definition of organ. Organ can be defined as cells and tissues organized into a larger body parts called organs. Cells और tissues join होके organize into a particular way एक बल्कि और ह्यूज स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं, एंड दैट बल्कि एंड लार्जर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी इज नोन एज ऑर्गन. मोर फॉर्मल डेफिनेशन इज ऑर्गन इज मेड अप ऑफ different tissues that perform a particular job. Organs मुख्तलिफ टिश्यू से मिलके बनते हैं एंड परफॉर्म अ पर्टिकुलर जॉब, और वो सारे टिश्यूज मिलके सेम जॉब परफॉर्म करते हैं. कोई भी पर्टिकुलर जॉब लाइक डाइजेशन, रेस्पिरेशन, कम्युनिकेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट एनिमल बॉडी, सो हार्ट, लंग्स, kidneys and all other organs that is found in animal body is example of organs. Second, if we talk about plant body, then roots, stem, leaves and flower, these all organs present in plant body. So this section is all about the organ, in which we discuss the definition of organ, then an elaborative definition of organ, then their examples. Now we discuss the fourth section of your body chapter, human organ system. जैसे कि टिश्यूज मिलके ऑर्गन बनाते हैं, उसी तरह डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स मिलके क्या बनाते हैं, ऑर्गन सिस्टम. इन योर बुक 5 organ systems are given. The first organ system is human excretory system. Human excretory system is consist of 4 organs. ह्यूमन का जो एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम है ये कितने ऑर्गन्स पे कंसिस्ट करता है, 4 ऑर्गन्स के ऊपर. किडनी, यूरेटर, ब्लैडर एंड यूरेथ्रा. सो kidneys are a bean shaped structure. Kidney is connected to the bladder that stores the urine. Stores urine through a tube. This tube is called ureter. Kidney play a role in the filtration of blood. After that, it stores the filtrate in the bladder and eliminates to the outside through a tube known as urethra. So, these are the 4 organs that is present in the human excretory system. Now, what is the function of human excretory system? इस organ system का function क्या है? So, function is the excretory system removes waste material or nitrogenous waste material. Waste material की क्या करता है ये? Removal of nitrogenous waste material that is formed in your body. Human excretory system वो वाला सिस्टम जो आपकी बॉडी से केमिकल वेस्ट को रिमूव करता है. Is consist of 4 organs: kidney, ureter, bladder and ureter. So your assignment is to draw the diagram of human excretory system and then label it. It consists of 2 kidneys, 2 ureter, 1 bladder and 1 urethra. धूप आ गई.